Okay. So, hi, dear Virgo. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Virgo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising. For the topic, the specific person on your mind. Keep in mind, this is general. This might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading, healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Virgo, the specific person on your mind, their overall energetic state regarding this connection right now. I have to look at the notebook because there are like 10 cards reading. This is 10 card reading, and I'm doing it for the first time in my life on this channel also for the first time. So let's see. Let's see their current energies towards the situation, overall energetic state regarding the situation. Let's see what we have. Death and rebirth. Okay, so Virgo, this person is considering the situation as something that is shifting them from inside, changing their life from inside. And this situation have shifted and changed a lot over a course of period. And this is not the same. Either it's gone and done, or it has become something totally different from what it used to be, and it is never going to be the same again. So according to them, this situation have shifted into a totally different kind of reality, and now everything is changing, everything is shifting, and they are also changing and shifting from inside because of the situation. So this situation is actually leading to lots of spiritual growth in their life. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, the specific person on your mind. Let's see what they feel for you, Virgo. The Emperor. They feel like they have to keep their emotions in control. They don't have to express, they should not express anything, they should not say anything, they should not be vulnerable in front of you at all. They should not show you their weak side or their emotional side. They just feel like taking the charge of this situation in their hands and being in this energy of I don't care. Yeah, Virgo exists. I cared a lot, but now I don't care. Okay. So somebody is feeling a little bit of ruthless energy here. Ruthless. R-U-T-H. Ruthless energy here. Some people call it ruthless. I call it ruthless. Doesn't matter. You got the meaning, right? So they feel that they should keep their emotions and their feelings and everything to themselves, and they should not reveal it to you at all. Let's see what this person thinks about you mentally, like in their head, what they think about you, about this situation, Virgo. Empress, they still respect you a lot, Virgo. They still respect you a lot. They have this high thinking towards you, that you are a very uh, creative person, very beautiful person, very kind hearted person, and you do have a potential to create something meaningful, to create something really loving and nurturing. Maybe not with them, but they think about you in a respectful way, even if they are not going to say it to you, even if they are not going to tell it to you. They think that you are a good person, but because of the circumstances, or because of the whatever, because of whatever happened between you guys, they they just can't express it to you or reveal it to you. They think you are somebody who have the potential to create a family, to create a beautiful, happy go lucky, loving, caring, nurturing kind of family, kind of a dynamics. Okay. And if you are in some kind of creative field or something, they highly respect your art and craft, and they highly respect you as a person, as a soul. Okay, let's see what this person wants to say to you, but they are not saying it to you or telling it to you, what they want to tell to you, but they are not telling it to you, Virgo. Okay, honey, stay here. Yeah. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. They want to tell you that this is very very difficult for them to move on in their life. This is very very difficult for them to give us pace or give a direction, or give some kind of, not fastness. Mm. They want to tell you that this person is not able to move on. They are not able to let go of whatever happened, right? They are still trying to get unstuck out of this situation and move forward in their life, but they are not able to. And they want to tell it to you, but they are not saying it to you. I don't understand the difference between telling and saying. Okay, okay. English is a funny language for me. But anyways, Knight of Pentacles in reverse is like this person wants to tell you they are not able to move forward in their life. They want to move forward in their life, but they are not. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from this connection. The specific person on your mind, Virgo, what they want from this situation between you and them. Three of Pentacles, they want a cordial connection. They want a very practical, very grounded, very mature kind of connection with you, some kind of collaboration or partnership with you if you guys are doing business together or work together or planning to do something together. So they want a very practical, very grounded, very mature kind of healed kind of connection between you and them, where both of you are invested in something together, like in creating something together. For most of you it's like a job, career, or finances thing. And if you guys are already married or committed to each other and still in a relationship, they want to maybe take help from a third person in order to make this situation getting healed step by step. But they want equal participation from your side also. So they want to have a very practical, very grounded, very mature kind of collaboration or partnership with you in some way. You know better than me in what way, romantically or otherwise. Okay, let's see the blockage or challenge in the situation. What is the blockage or challenge in the situation that is not allowing this situation to be at peace? Mhm. We have the Ten of Wands in reverse. The blockage or challenge here is not being able to handle the heaviness, handle the situation when things go very very difficult between you and them. One of you just start running away. Ten of Wands, even if it is in reverse, it reveals a very burdensome and heavy kind of energy. Okay, and one of you is not having the capacity to handle the stress, to handle the burden when things go difficult, when things become very very serious or difficult to deal with. So one of you keeps on running away, keeps on drifting apart, and like instead of healing the situation, instead of talking to each other, instead of trying to figure out ways to do something about the situation, one of you keeps on running away from the situation because they are not able to bear the pressure or handle the burdensome and heavy energy. So they just keep on leaving the situation behind. That is a major blockage here, that's making this situation fall apart again and again and again and again maybe. Let's see, Virgo, the specific person on your mind, what they think you think about them. Let's see, Virgo. They think you still care for them, even if you're not expressing them, even if you're not saying it to them. You still love them, you still care for them, and you still have a really beautiful soft corner for them. They think you are still in love with them in some way, right? Even if you are not revealing it to them. And basically, the more you are just doing your own thing, the more you are in the self love, self care, self healing mode, the more this person is getting in this illusion, maybe, or you actually love them, but they think you still love them and you still care for them. And if they are going to talk to you, you are going to be there for them. And this is not a no contact reading. So if they are going to open up their heart to you, you are going to open up to them again. This is what they think you think about them. Oh my goodness, this portion is very difficult to concentrate. What they think you think about them. They think you think that they are still in love with you. I'm sorry, I have to do it again. So they think you think that they are still in love with you. They are not expressing it to you, they are not telling it to you, but they still care for you on a deeper level. And even if they are on their self love, self care, self healing journey, they still have a soft corner for you, and they're always going to have that. This is what they think you think about them. They think you know that they still love you. Either I'm going to remove this one portion, this seventh portion, or I'm going to practice it so hard that it's going to come naturally. But this thing is making me nervous. Confused. Let's see what could be the possible action from this person's side towards you or towards the situation by the end of this month, Virgo. See, even if I'm doing it from 10 fucking years, sometimes we also get confused. It doesn't mean we are not good or something. Simply means that we are humans. Likely action from this person, this specific person on your mind. Likely action from their side towards you, towards the situation by the end of this month. Hermit. Not saying a word, not doing anything, just thinking, and a lot of thinking, especially at night when they are alone, but not doing anything, not saying anything. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys for this situation till the end of this month. If they're not talking to you, or there is very less talking involved, they might continue the same. For the outcome, we have the moon in reverse. Some kind of clarity is coming in, though. Something that was hidden or something that was not revealed to you, it might get revealed, not properly, not like, okay, everything is going to be crystal clear, but you might get some kind of hint, or you might get some kind of idea or about what is going on behind the scenes in some way. Again, not properly like a crystal clear as a day or something, but something is going to start making sense to you in some way. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this month, for this situation, Virgo. Ace of Swords. The guidance here is speak your truth. Speak your truth. Keep yourself mentally very clear about this person, about this situation. Talk to them if something is bothering you. Talk to them if you feel like things are not going the way they should, like there is something hidden, there is something that's not being revealed to you or properly expressed to you. Allow them to talk to you about this, like in the same way. And if they are not ready to do that, at least be very clear and honest from your side in your take about the situation, about your feelings and everything. If they're not participating for whatever reason, release them, at least for the time being. Just let things be. Okay, that is going to give you the mental peace that you might be seeking for from them. You have to create that for yourself, honey, because no one cares. Literally, no one. I'm not just saying it out of pain. No, I know it. So, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Let me know in the comment section about this reading, how you like it. Based on the views and the likes, I will see what I can do about it in the coming future. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in. Bye bye. Namaste.